In my previous video, I showed you how to create an animated route using Google Earth Pro. But what if we wanted to highlight specific places along the way? In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily add intermediate points with 3D text and icons. And listen carefully, you won't need Google Earth Studio or After Effects. With Google Earth Pro, the process is almost automatic, saving you time and effort. Hey, this is BT Desenio. Come along, we're just getting started. Let's start with a quick recap of how to create the route. If you want a more detailed explanation, I recommend checking out the previous tutorial. After that, we'll focus on how to add intermediate points with their respective texts and icons. We're going to open the site curvygare.com. In the two fields on the screen, we'll set a starting point and a destination. As you can see, the route is automatically displayed. Now we click on the menu and select Export. A blue button will appear. In this window, we'll select only Route and Track. Then we click and save the GPX file we just generated. Now let's open Google Earth Pro on our computer. It's completely free, and I explain how to download it in the previous tutorial. This screen will show up. On the lower left corner, you'll see a few checkboxes. I'm only going to check the ones that let me view 3D buildings and terrain. Then we go to File, Import. Select all files and open the GPX file we exported from curvygare.com. Now we can see our route laid out on the map. I'll right-click on the route line and select Properties. In this window, I'll delete the name field and go to the Style Color tab. Here, I'll change the color of the route, the thickness of the line, and also the color and scale of the text and icon. Next, I'll select this unnamed element, right-click, choose Add, and then Place Mark. I'll drag this place mark to the start of the route, give it a name, and click OK. I'll repeat the same steps for the destination point. You can also change the icon or even use a custom one. Now we'll add intermediate points that we want to highlight along the route. Right-click, Add, Place Mark, drag it to the spot, and give it a name. I'm going to repeat this process to add 2 more points. To animate the route, we first need to configure a few camera settings. Go to Tools, Options. Under the Touring tab, set the camera tilt, the altitude, and the animation speed. Then click OK. You can check out my previous video for a more detailed explanation of this step. Once that's done, click here. Then click on the Play Tour button and let it run. Now select this option and click Record a Tour. A toolbar will appear with a red Record button. Move the slider to the beginning of the route. Press the Record button, and then immediately click Play on the other toolbar to start recording. I'll pause briefly at each point of interest to create short stops in the video. Once we reach the destination, stop the recording, click the Save Tour icon, give it a name, and click OK. You'll now see a new item with the recorded tour. To export it as a video, first close the toolbar. Then go to the top menu, select Tools, and make sure Movie Maker is checked. In this window, confirm that your recorded tour is selected. Choose the location and name for your video. Set the size, format, and frame rate. Once you're ready, click Create Movie and wait for the export to finish. Now we can see the video file in the folder we selected. It'll be saved as an M4V file. If you want, you can just rename the extension to MP4. Then play the video to see your animated route, with all the points of interest and icons. You can add as many points as you want. And if your exported video has a few jumps or small glitches, which can happen in Google Earth Pro, you can easily fix it by applying camera stabilization in Premiere or After Effects. That's it. I hope you found this technique useful. If you liked the video and want to support this project, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like or comment. That really helps me a lot. This was BT Diseño. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.